So I'm working on this Mazda here. It's a good old pickup, right? This is a classic. What is it? It's one of the B series, right? We have trying to place that 80 amp fuse. So here's your main fuse. So what you do is you take off the two nuts that are holding it on, and then you pull that up, and then there's a little tab here on the side. You can't just pull off the 80 amp main fuse. You open up the side tab here, and that'll get you what you need there to undo the bolts that are holding it in. As you can see, here's a replacement. That is what those bolts are going through. Yeah, it's 80 amp, 32 volt thingy. So that is how you get that out. So you can't just pull it out. You gotta, that's what I did last night. And then I was like, oh my goodness, gotta come back during the daytime. So I hope that helps for anyone who's trying to confuse about how to replace this fuse.